A warning to vendors who operate at the Charles Gordon Market in Montego Bay, St. James, that a zero-tolerance approach will be taken to those who refuse to use the facility. The warning comes a week after they were given the nod of approval to use the facility again. The market was out of use for renovations following damage caused by Hurricane Melissa.
We came to have a conversation on Saturday and even today. From Saturday until now, we don't take up a tomato from anybody. And we say we don't want to take up anything because you invest in your goods and we want you to sell your goods, but we want you to sell it inside. And I'm not stuttering when I'm telling you that there will be zero tolerance on the outside.
Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, contends that due to overcrowding of vendors in the space, other businesses are being significantly affected.
When I visited this stretch, the vending has killed the business on this stretch. And we cannot be selfish. The regulation says that you're supposed to sell within the market, not outside of the market. I was the one who brought it to the administration of the council and asked them to facilitate the vendors operating outside until we repair the building. But in Jamaica, you see, I give them an inch and them take a. And I give the inch and them take Barnett Street, St. James Street, and all the streets in downtown Montego Bay.